What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the brand new Pioneer DJ DDJ-1000. So if you guys have been following the channel, you know we've seen this back at NAMM 2018 in January, and it's the new flagship DJ controller for Rekordbox DJ made by Pioneer and also used in conjunction with the Pioneer software, which is Rekordbox DJ. So I remember the first controllers that were made for the Rekordbox platform, and those controllers were basically copies of their Serato edition controllers, but now it seems like Rekordbox is really coming into its own as a new software, and they're making new DJ controllers such as this DDJ-1000 and the DDJ-400 to kind of represent where Rekordbox is going as a software, and it's going more towards the realm of other flagship club style hardware such as the DJM-900 and also the CDJ-2000 players, and you'll see that reflected here in the Rekordbox DDJ-1000 because you'll see things like full-size jog wheels. You'll also see things like loop controls where traditional effects controls would be at the top, and it just separates it into a class all by itself. So let's go on with the unboxing, and we'll have the review ready for you guys within about a week. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell so you have the notification of when the actual review will be out. Alright, first up we have a nice bag of goodies here, and that includes the DDJ-1000 controller manual, and it also comes with the software code for your Rekordbox DJ, so you can go download that. And it also has in here your USB cable and your power cable. The power cable actually has a power brick with it. It doesn't have like the standard computer style ICE cables. It's actually a power brick, so you have to plug that into the wall and then plug the other end right into the DJ controller for power. It is not USB powered, so you will need to use your power cable, and it comes with your standard USB cable as well, all in this sealed bag. Alright, only other thing in the box is the actual controller itself, and this is the DDJ-1000. It really looks like two separate decks and a mixer, and that's what they're going for here. They want this to be reminiscent of their flagship DJ club style setup. And you have the full-size jog wheels, and they're like a nice mechanical touch, just like the CDJ-2000s or the other CDJs that are out there on the market. It has the big screen in the middle, so that way you can see different information like waveforms, cue points, and a lot of other information right here in the middle of the screens. Then you have your 3-band EQs for all 4 of your channels. You have dual USBs, so that way you can have easy DJ changeovers. You also have all of your familiar pad functions here as well. And again, at the top, you don't see your traditional 3 effects knobs with the extra beat effect knob. You actually have your in and out and loop controls at the top, similar to what you guys find on a real life CDJ. So we're going to go through this bad boy really in depth when we do the full out video review. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys are also clicking that bell so that way you get the notification in your inbox as soon as the review will be ready. Make sure you guys head on over to DJBooth.net in order to get other DJ equipment reviews and all other DJ equipment news as well. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like the video. And as always, thanks for watching.